Almost immediately after starting the video, the bug happened again, and it was an easy bug fix. It shows a random tile at the very beginning, and when you choose something to be launched and it says drop tile, it tried to drop the tile, and it tried to, when it dropped the tile, cancel the random cycle. But there could be two ways to fix it. I'm going to try this way first, where I start the coroutine in start. What if I started it on awake? If I start it on awake, because this start is on the first frame. So let's see what happens here. Just random tile. Nope, that's normal tile. I need it to happen on the first. It needs to pick random on the very first one. Pick mystery on the first one. The first one. It picked mystery. Mystery is okay for the first one. I picked random on the first one. I didn't get the error. Why didn't I get the error? I didn't fix anything. Oh, yes, I fixed that. Right, so if I put this back here, and try it again, to see if I get the error, to see if that fixed the error, which I think that's what fixed the error. Yep, straight off the bat, and this happens where I can just move around until another piece is picked. So I get that error. This was it. That's the reason. Save. That fixes it. Alright, so I don't mind if it picks a random as the first one. It's just going to... Alright, that was a mystery as the first one. That was mystery. Okay, anyhow, I've got the bug fixed. The next thing we're going to do is give some sort of indication as to how long you actually have on the random. So it's possible that I could just create something on the canvas. UI the image. Do I have anything in here yet? You know what? I'm just going to take this. Let's put it in the bottom. Oh, nope. Take this. Put it on the bottom. And duplicate it. So run timer background. Run timer fill. So the fill is going to be smaller. Change that to black. And then take this, duplicate it, and call this run timer. Need a empty game object as a part of that. And the timer, I'm going to choose an image which will be, let's go for orange, which means I can make the fill green. Green. No, that doesn't really work. So for the sprites, I'm going to have to create a new sprite, create sprite square. Take that. And the two of you will get the square. But you don't get the square. You remain black. 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 Or red. You will be purple. I'm going to go and I'm going to change all of this later. All of that's going to get designed. Let's go black for the fill. Okay. Well, I can take all of this and I can say prefab. All of it. Oh, I only need this apparently. And prefab. Good. Okay, so the GM script now. I need access to the random timer and ran timer. Ran timer is an image, random timer is a game object. So I can turn them on and off. GM. Okay. Oh, that means that I don't need. Okay, I have to redesign because that timer thing is going to need a different kind of system. All right. Where am I going to put this? I don't care. This is for random stuff, space 30. Public, game object, random timer, public image, random amount. If this spawn piece is a random piece, then I'm going to need some stuff. Spawn piece. I can do it right here. So right here, I'm going to say current tile dot. No, this is an if. If current tile dot ts. Oh, not ts. Current tile get component dot tile script. So I've got the tile script dot tt is equal to tile type dot random. If that is the case, then what do we call that again? I called it random timer, random amount. So what I called it? Random amount? That's a weird name. That's true. I did call it that. Random amount. Nope. I don't want the random amount. I actually want the random timer. Where was it? Let's drop random timer. Dot set active true. But first, and if I drop it, where do I do it? Here. No, that stopped the random thing. I'm not going to do it that way because I'm not going to be using an enumerator. I'm going to be using something else. I need to do tiles, random tile. I want access public. Not fill. Okay. When I create an object, first thing I do is current tile. So this is what happens on our wake. I set that. Wait, am I in the right place? No, I'm in drop tile. I need to be up here. When I create it, set current tile dot get component random tile get component random tile dot amount fill is going to be equal to that thing. What was it called? It was called random amount. Is that an image? That's the image. Tell me that's the image. Random amount is the image. Yes. So when I spawn that piece, I'm going to do that. Save. Okay. In here, when I spawn the new piece, once I've got it named, the new piece, the GM's new piece, or no, this current tile will work, is equal to random amount. Nope, I didn't call it random amount, I call it amount fill. It's going to take it from here to the next one, and it keeps going each time. Now, this is going to be an update thing. I need timer running. Oh, where is it? Public. Bool. Timer running equals true. Timer running. I'll set true in here. Timer running equals true. Take that out. If timer running and I need public float max time or current time. Current time. I'm going to set current time equal to 5f, 4f. So, timer is running. Just copy paste. Paste. So, timer, not time remaining. Let's change it. Because I'll have to change it in 2 places. And everything works. Okay, now I don't need this. There it is again, I don't need it. Time remaining will be 0. Timer running. False. Don't need that. So if the timer is running, the timer is going to be counting down. We'll use that. If I run out of time, then pick a piece. Then do this. Control C, Control V. Alright. And all I have to do is I just stop the timer from running in the game manager. Save. So in here, when I drop it, pick piece, spawn piece, drop tile. Here I'm doing stop the random. Nope. All I'm doing is I'm doing, I forgot what it was. Current tile, get that. Timer running dot is equal to false. So if I do that, this timer stops running, and it never reaches 0, so it won't spawn another one. So this will be the what's it called again? Amount fill. Amount fill dot fill amount is equal to You know what? I need this to be public float max time. Or F. I'm doing that because I'm doing it this way because this here I'm going to change up with levels. Levels is going to be able to make the random timer work faster. But we'll leave it like this for now. So I need to find the time remaining divided by the max time. And that will be a fraction between 0 and 1. Save. In theory, everything should work. I don't need those picked pieces anymore. I don't even need to stop the random. I don't need any of that stuff. Give it a try. So this will be, oh wait, hold on. I do need to link those things. Random timer is this guy here. And random amount is this guy here, which I'm going to apply. Okay, that's got to fix somehow. Play. Okay. This is just a normal cross piece. This is a normal terminator. This is a normal cross piece. Oh, there's my random piece. Ooh, look at that. I like. If I drop it. Nice. Nice. I can make it a little more discreet, but it worked. There's another random tile. Try and find a place there, and oops, it changes. Alright. I like. So random tile is got the timer. I'm actually not liking the color anymore, but anyhow, I'm gonna hand this to a designer to help me with everything. I want to control my random time by the levels. So in here, level description, public float random time. So when I do this, when it's created, max time is going to be gm dot levels gm dot level Level is an int, not um, random time. Save. So now that's controlled by the level, which is a scriptable object. Wow, see? 1 second. But no, start with 6 seconds. It's your first time getting one. You get 6 seconds. All right. And that is it. Random tile is done. I do some menus. So I got to have a start menu. I need to get into the game. I'll do a tutorial. Well, quick tutorial. There will be the menu, which is the start. Then we do the first level, and then each time we finish, we award the person. We then have to let him purchase whether he wants more time. So with his points, he can purchase things. You have a total score, but then he has purchase points. And all of that, I'm actually going to do a video on all of that. The next video is going to be based on me designing and coming up with the idea. I just need to think about it. So come back for the next video.